Hello everyone, I'm Seema Advani and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Tech Asan where I make things simplified for you. Today via this video I would like to share my knowledge on how to create mathematical equation in Google Forms. There are basically different ways to create mathematical equations in Google Forms. We will see one by one how they are different with each other and whichever is suitable for you. So those who have not watched my previous videos, please go to the description box and find the links of the earlier videos on Google Forms. So friends, if you really like this information useful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. I'm going to the first way to create mathematical equations in Google Forms, that is upload the question in the form of an image. So let's see how we will upload the question in the form of an image. Suppose I have already made my question paper in Word and suppose I want to copy paste this question from this question paper to my Google form. Then what I will have to do is, suppose I am copying this. I have pressed Ctrl C. Now I am going back to my Google form. This is suppose my question number 1. I am pressing Ctrl V to paste it. So you can see here the options A, B and C. The option A, the correct choice for option A was under root 34, which is not displayed, under root 15 was not displayed, and under root 14 was not displayed. So this is one of the drawback of Google Forms. In this case, what we have to do is we can do the snipping tool. What is snipping tools? It's already available in your desktop, in your machines. You just have to search snipping tool. Yes, it is there. Snipping tool. I have pinned this in my taskbar, so I'm getting the help of this. See, I have just snipped this in the form of an image. Yes, it is okay now. I will have to save it. I'm saving it. Save as. Suppose I'm writing it as question number 1.png and then save. It is already exists, so I will have to change it. Suppose I'm typing yes, not a problem. Then I will go to my Google form, delete these things and will paste here. Control V. Sorry, I will have to upload the image. I will go to the image and upload it. I will have to browse the image. When I will browse it, I will see question 1 dot question1.png is there. Yes, my file is there and it will be browsed. It's there now. Yes, it is uploading. See, now all the options has came in a proper manner. Now if I want, I can see the preview of this. So all the options are there. What we can do is we can make this as A. We can make this other option as B. Add other option. We can make it as B and then C and then D. So the student will select whatever will be correct. We can see the preview here. See the preview. It is here. Student will tick the correct form. So this was the first way in which we can add equations or we can add mathematical expressions in our Google Forms. Now I would like to go to my next way. The next step is, or the next way by which we can add equation is code-cogs. What we will have to do is, I'm going to the new tab. I will click on the Google and what I will have to do is write code-cogs. Code-cogs. Then see, this is online latex equation editor. See, all the things are provided to you here. All the symbols, all the equation forms are available to you here. What you will have to do is just type your equation in this box. Suppose I have to write ax square ax square plus bx plus c. You can see here the question is coming here in the form of correct in a correct mathematical form. If I'm writing text here, suppose I'm making changes to it. Suppose I'm writing 5x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. If I am writing what are the factors of this. So here you can see there are no spaces embedded in it. So what we will have to do is we will have to press forward slash with colon. Then the space will come here automatically. Again forward slash with colon. Again wherever you want to give a space, please type forward slash with colon. Forward slash with colon. Then you will get this proper image. Now what I have to do now is you will have to click on this option and make sure that URL is selected. When the URL will be selected, you will have to copy this URL. I am pressing Ctrl C and again going to my Google form. I'm going to add one more question on the Google form. See this, suppose I am adding one more question here. Here I will upload this question in the form of an image. I will have to click on buy URL because I would like to paste my URL here. Yes. Now this question has came. What are the factors of 5x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0? And I will insert the image. As soon as I will insert the image, this question will come here. See, you can make use of it like this. So in this way, by using code-cogs, you can write your mathematical equations with the statements in a proper manner. Now the third option which I am going to give you is with the help of equatIO. equatIO Chrome extension. You will have to press equatIO Chrome extension and click on this. When you will press equatIO Chrome extension, you will have to install this extension, but I have already installed, therefore it's not showing me to install it. Now what I have to do is when I will install my this Chrome extension, this icon will enable to me insert math. This symbol will be enabled to me in each and every question and with each and every option. So I will make use of this. This equatIO is consists of various kinds of things in the same window. That is, it's very much versatile. Suppose I'm going to add this question and pressing on this equatIO. See, there are various kinds of options that are available here. See, the first one is equation editor, second one is latex editor, third one is graph editor and handwriting recognition, speech input, equatIO mobile, math space, screenshot reader and stem tools. So there are various kinds of tools that are provided to you here, and this is the beauty of this equatIO. Suppose I'm going to write here f of x equal to 1 plus x by, suppose you have to write this equation in the form of a rational number. Then you will have to press slash. See, it will came in the form of a division, 1 minus x. See, so in this format you can create various kinds of mathematical expressions. You can see here insert text and text color, add to favorites, clear, and this one. Under this one you can see various kinds of options. Like in this symbols option you can find a lot of symbols. When you will scroll this you will get a lot of symbols that may be useful to you, like subset, superset, alpha, beta, theta, comma. Okay, and this is layout where you can use superscript and subscript operators, matrix equations, and different forms of matrix equations, identity matrix, operation template, and much more. This is formulas tab where you can have different differentiation and integration formulas, formulas related to trigonometry, and all these things. So according to your choice and according to your need you can make use of different formulas. After typing this formula, what I will have to use is insert math. When I will click on the insert math, the image will be uploaded, its URL will be uploaded, and I will get this question in the form of image that you can see here. Now I will show you the second option of using equatIO. Suppose I am adding one more question, and suppose I am pressing this equatIO tool. When I will press this equatIO tool, go on this handwriting recognition. When you will use this handwriting recognition, you can make your things much more easier and simpler. See how I am using this. Suppose I am writing integral function, suppose like this, integration, and I'm writing suppose 5x dx and giving limits to it, suppose 0 and 1. See how beautifully handwriting recognition is recognizing my handwriting and converting it into text like this. So it will be much more easier to write in your own way, and the equatIO will convert this into your digitalized or computerized form. And I will click on the insert maths and then click on yes. It is processing, and we have got, see this equation, we have got this equation. When we will preview this equation you can see it in a very well manner. Right now I'm not typing all the questions because I'm just giving you a preview of how you can make use of this equatIO tool like this. See, you can write in this manner. So handwriting recognition is one of the very good tools I can say while using equatIO. But the problem is that if you have to write the whole statement, I have just written an expression here. If you have to write the whole statements, suppose if the value of this is this, what will be the value of this, or what will be the correct option, then in this case you have to write text as well as you have to type equation also. So due to our mouse, with the help of mouse, we will not be able to do in a very well manner, and with the help of stylus and touch screen it will be more easier for use. So I'm not finding this equation very much useful for laptop users. It will be more helpful if you have stylus with you, but not a problem. um, we have this tool as very much important. Now what we are seeing is graph editor. Suppose I have to insert any graph. Suppose this is my graph. uh, I'm rubbing it. Suppose my graph is like this, y equal to 2x plus 5. Suppose, see, this is, this equation is converted into graph, and if you want to insert that graph you can click on it and the graph will be inserted. this graph has been inserted. So we can make use of this tool also, because student, you have to give questions in the form of graph also. And what other is, suppose, let's take another example. um, I'm clicking on this equatio symbol, and see, this is speech input. Suppose this is a speech input. Whatever you will say will be converted to text. Suppose I'm saying 5x plus 2, and I have stopped this. See, 5x plus 2, my speech has been converted to text. And when I want to insert this equation, 5x plus 2 has been added. So this uh, equatio is very much, means very much versatile. We can use many more things at the same time. Now I just want to tell you about math space. What math space is? Suppose I have to draw triangles, quadrilaterals, or suppose I have to give students geometrical figures. So math space is a tool where you can give a lot of um, uh, diagrammatic representations. It is still loading, and see, very nice. See, click on this shapes. You will find a lot of shapes here, like circle, rectangle, right angle triangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, and much more. I'm clicking over smart symbols, and suppose I'm clicking on this polygon and writing over here. See, this you can add. In the same way, you can add different symbols like this, and different shapes like this, and even you can make modifications like in the form of arrangement, transformation, and much more. You can give even different angles, like what will be angle 1, what will be angle 2 of that particular figure. Suppose this is the figure I'm writing. Suppose angle 1 as 10 degree, suppose 35 degree, angle 2 as 60 degree. Then it will do all the formatting for you. And suppose I want to insert this symbol, then what I will have to do is just click on this insert, and then that shape will be inserted. See, we have added all these shapes together. Suppose I'm writing here, there is one more tool, that is screenshot reader. This will read the screenshot that is provided to you. And STEM tools will give you, it will be much more useful for chemistry teachers, because, sorry, see, this is a scientific calculator. One can very well use the scientific calculator here. And there is option for periodic table also. This periodic table, we can make use of periodic table if you want to give any questions related to that. So this is all about equatio. I find equatio tool a very nice and beautiful tool for mathematics. Even we, this is very much versatile, as we are getting much more options at the same roof. So I find equatio a very nice tool, and those people who are very much comfortable typing in Word can use, can crop their image via snipping tool, or they can go to Paint, crop the image, and then upload that image. So this was all about using different ways of making mathematics question paper. If you really like this information, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.